Alright, now let's talk about the next command in any Unix or Linux based system. So if I type pwd, I am inside desktop test and YT directory. So let's create a file, and in this video we will be talking about the rmdir command, which is used to delete the directory. So let's create a directory. We will use mkdir, which is used for creating directories. So I will create directory, let's say hello, and inside that I will create a file. So I will use touch, which is used to create files. So inside hello I want to create hello.txt file, and if I type ls hello, as you can see here we have a file hello.txt. so the rmdir command is used to delete a directory. So let's create another directory, and I will show you why I created this file. So I will create let's create directory using mkdir. Inside hello I want to create directory named hi, and if I type ls hello, as you can see we have hi directory. If I type rmdir and then I want to delete the hi, and if I hit enter, and if I ls the content of hello, as you can see the directory has been deleted. Now let's say I want to delete the hello directory, which contains one file and one folder we deleted previously. Right here we deleted that. So if I type rmdir and then hello, and as you can see directory not empty. So rmdir command deletes directory that are empty. If you want to delete if you try to delete directories that contain some files, you can't delete that using rmdir command. So for that you can use rm command, which removes everything. So if I type rm, and then all you need will have to just pass rf, which is for recursive, and forces the uh, rm command to delete everything that is passed as a parameter here. So if I type try to delete or remove the hello directory and everything that is inside hello directory. So if I hit enter, if I ls, as you can see nothing is there except x.save. So let's create a directory again, mkdir, and let's say hello and hit enter. If I type ls, here we have a hello directory. If I try to delete it using rm command or rmdir command, let's see the main page if it exists. So if I type take it for short and then rm, as you can see remove files or directories. So rm is used to remove files or directories. If I type mk rmdir command, it says remove empty directories and delete a directory. So the rm command you can use for deleting files or directories, but if you have directories inside another directories and they have some more files, then you will have to use the tag rf command, which will delete recursive directories and forces the rm command to delete everything. So and make sure you did not delete any sensitive information, because it does not ask for confirmation of deletion of those files. So if you type that, it will not ask you, do you want to confirm this, do you want to delete this? So it will automatically delete it. So that is that the rm command is used to remove files or directories, while the rmdir command is used to delete empty directories.